station. A master station is the place where the crew and passengers gather in emergency. In case of emergency, everyone must go to their assigned master station quickly and safely. The master station is the marked clearly on sign throughout the ship. At the master station, wait for the further instruction from the officer of the crew. Fire alarm. When you hear the fire alarm, immediately go to the master station. Stay calm and do not use elevators. Follow the emergency routes carefully. The crew will direct you to safety and help put out the fire. General alarm. The general alarm means there is emergency. It could be any types of danger. Go to your master station immediately and listen carefully more instruction. The general alarm usually sounds as a series of rapid blasts, usually seven short blasts, followed by one long blast. Abandon ship alarm. If you hear the abandon ship alarm, 7 short blasts plus 1 long blast, it means you need to leave the ship. Go to quickly to save lifeboats of life rafts. Wear your life jacket and be ready to leave the ship. Man overboard. Signal. If someone falls overboard, shout man overboard to alert the crew through lifeboat or any flotation device. To the person in the water, alert the crew immediately and follow the instruction to rescue the person safely. CO2 alarm. The CO2 alarm means there is the risk of fire or gas leak in the engine room or cargo hold. Leave the area immediately and avoid going into engine room. Go to your master station and wait for instruction. The crew will handle the emergency. Engineer call. If you hear the engineer call, it means there are problems in the engine room that needs attention. Stay alert and be ready to assist if necessary. Follow the instruction from the officer or engineer. Cargo hold flooding. If the cargo hold flooding, follow the instruction to the ship or slow down the flooding seal of any leaks if possible and report it to the officer. Go to the master station if told to do so. Cargo hold flooding. If the cargo hold flooding, follow the instruction to the ship or slow down the flooding seal of any leaks if possible and report it to the officer. Go to the master station if told to do so. Cargo hold flooding. If the cargo hold flooding, follow the instruction to the ship or slow down the flooding seal of any leaks if possible and report it to the officer. Go to the master station if told to do so. Engine room flooding. If the engine room is flooding, shut the power to prevent further damage. Seal doors and hatches to contain the water and try to stop the flooding. Alert the officer and follow the instruction for safety. Importance of training and drills. Training and drills are very important because they help everyone know what to do during the emergency. Drills allow the crew, passenger practice and get familiar with the emergency procedure, such as using lifeboats, handling fires, going to the muster station, and also help people to stay calm during real emergency because they know what to expect and what to do. And most important, practicing emergency procedures can save lives, make, making sure everyone is prepared and can act quickly.